All right, we have come to the third law of indices or exponents, right? So the third law says the law of zero of index or power, right? So to many, this is kind of like tricky, right? So nothing is a big deal. So just watch and listen as I made this note to you, right? So as you can see, giving a to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of what? Another 3, right? Because the previous one, I used division sign at the middle. So the same thing I'm using here. So what it says is that whenever anything turns to 0, it becomes what? 1. So say as I prove it, right? So giving a to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 3, right here we're going to have a to the power of 3, right? A to the power of 3. So I told you before, this automatically is going to change to what? Minus sign or subtraction sign. That's why I did the second one before the third one, right? It's step by step. Now I have a to the power of 3 minus another 3 right there, right? So what we have, we're going to have a to the power of what? 3 minus 3 is going to be what? 0, right? Nothing left. Everything is gone, right? It's going to be what? 0. So that's why I said what? The law of 0 of index of power, because this is the power or the index. So the degree whatsoever. So the degree or the power or the index are automatically changed to what? 0. So now that it's 0 in mathematics or in indices or exponent, whatever something has what? The power of 0, that is automatically what? 1. So anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. So the answer to this A is not what? Everything is going to be what? Eliminated. It's going to be what? Equals what? 1. So that is the answer. So I'm going to prove this further by using the word, the lemma method of what? Doing exponent, right? So I'm going to have A times A times A. So the division sign comes. So I'm going to have another A times A times A, right? So what gave birth to this is what? A to the third power, A to the third power, A to the third power divided by another A to the third power. That's what gave rise to this word, what we're doing right now. So what I see right here now, I'm going to what? Cancel out the common things right here. I'm going to have A, cancel out A, another A, cancel out A, another A, cancel out A. So what we have, so which means 3 divided by 3 is equals what? 1. I've just proven this by saying whenever anything raised to the power of 0 is equals what? 1. So that's why we came about that in the field of what? Mathematics. That's why you see mathematicians proving things. Whenever I get to this junction, something raised to power 0 is automatically what? 1. A raised to power 0 is equals what? 1. That is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch, expect more coming of this, because I told you we have 6 laws of this. We just proved 3 of this, so we have more coming. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of this mathematics.